Good morning, dear student. I hope you are well in COVID-19 epidemic. In COVID-19 epidemic, we must follow social distancing for ourselves, for our family. In this session, our English syllabus is changed. Due to COVID-19, our syllabus is reduced 30% because we have no enough time to discuss about our lesson. Okay, you would have buy two books, first literature textbook and second supplementary readers. This is your literature textbook Beehive for 9th class, and this is your supplementary readers Moments. You would have to buy two books. Okay, today we will discuss about first lesson, approach, the fun they had, written by Jacques Asmo. The fun, that means the amusement, the happiness they had. They means the people of past. They means the people of past. Had means done. The amusement the people of past had done. The happiness the people of past had feel. Okay, let us know about the lesson and clear the meaning, the fun they had. Okay, Jacques Asmo was an American writer. He was a professor in Boston University, America. He was born in Russia in 2 January 1920. This lesson was written in 1950. This lesson is written in 1950. Jacques Asmo wrote many books, many letters. In his writings, science fiction is mixed. Okay, know about the lesson. This story, the fun they had, that we are going to read, is set in the future. That means this is belong in the future. This is not belong to present and past. This story is set. In this story, we were told about school of the future. What would have condition of schools, books, teachers and students. Okay, Jacques Asmo said that when books and schools that we know today, in this time, you know very well what is book, what is school, what is playground, what is friend. You know everything about school. But suppose when books and schools that we know today will not present in the future, there will be no classroom for students, and there will be no human teachers for students. and that time students will read with the help of computers. This time you also try to read on computer screen in COVID-19. But this story is said when you have no classroom, no teachers, then you will read with the help of computers. You would have classroom like visual classroom. You would have moving e-test. You had computers, laptops, and robotic teachers that give you instructions. Okay, in the coming generation. This story is like the same diagram. Students, this is diagrams. In the future, schools of the future, students will be learning through computers. They would have not classroom in a schoolroom. They would have virtual classroom in their homes. They would have not human teachers. In future, they would have robotic teacher, and they would have moving e-test like computers and laptops. In the future, students have no books, only they have computers. Okay. Let us know about summary of the lesson.